Okay, so the end product will look like this. So there's a surgeon's knot at the end, then 2 T-knot with hooks, and then another surgeon's knot at the top. Okay, you're just gonna coil it loosely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're gonna uncoil it. I'm gonna start 30 cm from one end of the line. Okay, so you're gonna make a loop. I'm gonna do a T-knot here. Okay, then I bring the end of the loop down to make 2 smaller loops. Okay, adjust the size. So depending on how long you want the T-knot to be, then you will increase the number of coils accordingly. So in this video, I'll be doing the 10 coils. Okay, to do the T-knot, you will take the loop on the left, and then you coil it into the loop on the right. Go from the bottom, coil 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you want it longer, you just coil more times. Then we're gonna tighten it. Okay, you're gonna add some water and tighten it further. Alright, so we have this the tail end of the T-knot, and then this is the loop that we're gonna tie the hook to later. So we're gonna turn and complete the T-knot. So the loop is now at the bottom. Then we're gonna take the 2 lines and overlap. Okay. Then with these 2 lines on the top, we will be coiling them around each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then we're just going to take the loop from the bottom just now, and we're going to slot it through the line, through the hole here. Okay, and go through the hole. All the way until the end of this knot, the end of this knot here. And then we're going to start tightening it. Okay, so make sure this is no tangle when you're tightening it. And it's good to add some water. Okay, tighten it all the way. Okay, so the first T-knot looks like that. And then we're going to do the second T-knot. So depending on how much line you have left at this side, I'm just gonna find a center point and start doing the second T-knot. So this is about 30 to 40 cm from the end of the other line. Okay, we're going to repeat again. Okay, so for each T-knot we have to tie a Snell knot to this, in this loop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim off one end of the line. Okay, so instead of a loop, there's a straight line now. Gonna tie it to a hook. Okay, so we're gonna do a Snell knot. Put that line through the hook eye. Okay, so we run this about 10 cm. Then we're gonna make a loop here. So with the left hand will be holding the hook and the loop. Then the right hand will coil the shorter end around the hook shank for 5 times. Okay, then we pass the end of the line through the loop earlier on, through this loop, and then we tighten the line. Okay. Okay, once it's tightened, then we can cut off the excess part. Then we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So the other T-knot, you do the same thing. cut off one end, and straight line now. Then we're gonna tie. Okay, so this is the bottom one. This is the bottom T-knot. I want the hook to be facing up there, so I'm gonna put it through this way. Okay, so at the end of the line, there's still some space. We can do a surgeon's loop here. So make a loop, and then we're gonna make a loop here and go in twice. So this small loop, this end will go in the loop twice. One, first time, second time. Okay, and tighten this. And cut off the excess. Okay, so we will just put the single through. And then the other end, just put this through. And this part you can tie to your main line. And you're ready to go fishing.